This is mostly food garbage, but there are some cutting things. Oh look, someone did a model house. Oh, out of cardboard. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get it out and let Mimi play with it. And then there are some cutting things, like for the shop class. I'll get those out too. Good morning, Frugal friends. I'm Julie, that's Mimi. And Kit. Welcome to the Frugal Family. Okay, I got a bunch of these miter boxes, I think is what they're called. Super awesome. We'll keep one or two of them. And then, let me show you. The other ones, they'll go in the yard sale, of course, but look who is so happy. It really is the simple things, you guys. Right? I mean, how cool is that, Mimi?
So, okay. So, there's the living room. Wait, no, this is the living room. This is a bedroom, another bedroom. This is a room. And then,
Has solar panels on top.
yeah.
How very responsible.
And then, another bedroom, another bedroom, another bedroom, and a room,
A dining room.
dining room.
How awesome is that?
And the floor is green.
And it even has a really nice deck.
Yeah, and a little door.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
What a fun find. Should we bring it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we are out of totes. I'm gonna carry our tools in. This is again one that gate's locked. So if we do find stuff, we'll be carrying it out. I'll bring more totes next time.
Fan.
A van?
A fan.
Oh,
There's an actual fan in there.
well, it might be dead.
Yeah, I know, but there's a fan in there.
Yeah, it's pretty dead. All right, you may go play for a minute. And of course, there would be furniture. Of course. All right, a whole bunch of little totes. We'll take all of these. That's broken. All right, we're gonna work over here. I'm gonna let Mariah play for a minute, then I will have her come and help get all this stuff back to the car. Wash these totes up, put them in the yard sale, which will be happening in just a couple weeks. Stay tuned. That one's broken. Whole bunch of Creamies popsicles that are melted. That's unfortunate. That one's gross. That one's gross. Yes, I know we can wash them, but let's see if we can find some clean ones first, shall we? There we go. Balloons back there. Can I do it? Yeah, I can. It won't be pleasant, but I can. A bag of Sun Chips. Does it have all the things? No, it doesn't. Oh, it's only got one shelf? No, I'm not gonna take it. Feel free to judge me. Look at that, that's a whole bunch of boxes of Creamies down there. They're popsicles. Oh, that's a bummer. All right, let's go look at the other one. All right, Mimi, pause from that. I need you to come and start taking these totes over to the van. What? All right. Ooh, what we got here? Look at that. Brand new pack of felt tip pens. Expo eraser. Yeah, that's probably still good. Yeah, that's still good. Wish we had a tote. Still got good glue in it. Oh, we'll use one of these. I can't believe that. I mean, I can believe it, but oh, awesome. Oh, and I totally just dumped them out. We'll grab what we can. Whole bunch of colored pencils. Another pencil box. Oh, my back. Holy cow. It's heavy work, you guys. You know we gotta take this macrame chair. Come on now. Oh, it's broken. No, 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 no. Or is it? Let's find out. Yeah. Darn. I don't know how to fix that, you guys. Can't save everything. It's a sad, harsh reality. All right, I have got to take some ibuprofen or something for my back, so we are gonna call it good for here. And be plenty proud of what we found. I can't believe it. All those colored pencils. Sad that I dropped some. They're now down in the watery depths, but between those and the felt tip pens, it is a good day. Oh my goodness, it's a good day. All right, Mimi, come and help me bring these to the car. Nope, no more hold on. Let's go. I do let them play on the playground when we go to a public school, but they still get to help. This is how we pay for our adventures and our extras. And they get to be part of that, which is pretty amazing if you think about it. Does suck when you can't drive up to the bin, but it's more exercise, and that's good. That's a good thing. You got your gloves? You're not gonna believe what I found. Get ready. Get ready. And look at this.
Ooh.
How cool is that?
Cool.
I think we'll have some fun with that.
I like the pink.
Oh, there's like, how many pinks are there? 4 different pinks. Are you kidding me? Brand new. Well, it's kind of a purple, isn't it?
Kind of.
And those are kind of pinky, I don't know. Anyway, how awesome is that?
Pink. That one's kind of purple.
Are you in love?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. And then look at all these colored pencils. Unfortunately, some of them...
We also have a whiteboard here.
I know, right? And a perfectly brand new glue stick. We get all of our glue sticks this way.
Some bags.
And a bag of Sun Chips. How cool is that?
Can we also have these totes?
We don't need all of them.
Some of them?
Maybe. If we can think of a purpose and find a place to put them.
Purpose Disney corner.
The Disney corner is very full, but that's a fun idea. Unless we can get like a shelving unit that has all the shelves. Yeah, that might be fun to organize with these. And they are Buzz Lightyear colors. Van will be full again. Look at this amazing girl. Oh my goodness, she's amazing. You're out of control, Mimi. You're so cool. All right. What a beautiful morning. Oh, this is just the beginning, Frugal friends. Just the beginning. Easy.
Look what we found.
Are you so glad we came dumpster diving?
Yeah.
Aren't you glad you got up and
big.
came?
Yeah.
Frugal friends, thank you so much for coming along. This is round 1 of public school dumpster diving. Come back tomorrow to see the full reveal of everything that Mimi and I have found. You're going to be amazed. Then come back for more public school dumpster diving and more public school dumpster diving reveals. I know you like to see the reveals with the actual diving. That's not the way we do it with the public school stuff because there is so much volume and our priority is to go and get the stuff and get it out before it gets too hot. We do live in a desert. So the way that we do it in the summer, she's so excited, and with public schools, we get the stuff, we get it home, we drop it off, we go fill the van, we drop it off, we fill the van, we drop it off, and then once we've gotten all of it home, then we start opening up all the bags and showing you everything. So stay tuned for that. It is coming. And understand that we are people and we have to do it the way we have to do it because it is a desert. We do live in a desert that does get snow, but not right now. Thank you so much for coming along. Please do subscribe, like, and share. We'd love to have you along for all of our many frugal living and dumpster diving related videos. And should we see them real soon?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Alert box. I think this will be the last one for here because my back is really starting to hurt. I did a lot of gardening this week because we've got family coming over today and I wanted everything to look nice. What did I say about their personal cleaning stuff? I get some hand sanitizer right there. Okay. All right, Mimi. I will have her. Oh, what, honey? Why? What is it? Now, if I decide I want to hit up this bin again, I'll come back tomorrow. But we also have like 3 more towns that I'd like to at least do a once over on. Oh, wow.
This is only on the little kids' playground. Come on.
Okay, you have like 1 minute and then we gotta get moving. It's the other thing, it's gonna be very hot this week. So anything we're gonna get done, we have to do it early, we have to do it quick before it heats up. But I'll let Mimi check this out for just another minute and then we will get on our way. I wanna hit at least 2 more schools this morning.
Wow.
Awesome.